The next night we had burrito bowls, and these are some of our favorites. So I cooked some dried black beans in my Instant Pot. I actually always use dried beans. We never buy the cans of beans. These are a lot more expensive. This is another really great way to save money, and a way to buy food in bulk is to always buy like 25 or 50-pound bags of dried beans. So I put in 2 cups of beans, 8 cups of water, a bay leaf, a teaspoon of salt, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar breaks down the indigestible parts of the beans, so I always add apple cider vinegar to beans just for that reason. And then I set my Instant Pot to high pressure, just regular pressure cook, and I cooked them for 30 minutes. I just let them naturally release because I wasn't in a hurry, and they were perfectly tender but not too mushy. I really like cooking beans in the Instant Pot. Once those were all done, I strained them out in the sink, and then I actually cooked some frozen chicken breasts in the Instant Pot as well. So I started this really early in the day because I used the Instant Pot twice. The beans and the chicken cooked for different amounts of time, otherwise I would have cooked them together. But I put some water and the chicken breasts and some seasonings like oregano and salt and pepper and paprika and thyme, I think, and then I cooked that. Once it was done, I took it out and shredded it, and then I put the beans in a bowl and topped it with shredded chicken, and we put some salsa on it. It's really great with sour cream. You're actually out of it, so you can also use kefir if you're out of sour cream. Normally I would add lettuce to this too, but we were out of that also, so we just made do with what we had, and it was absolutely